Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Rakuten Advertising product link formatting, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Rakuten Advertising website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the Tools menu on the top navigation bar. From the drop-down menu, select Product Links. You will be directed to the Product Link Creation page. Here, you'll find options to create different types of links. Choose the appropriate link format for your needs. Next, enter the product name or the specific URL you want to promote. Click on the search button to find the product. When the product appears, double-check the details for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click on the Create Link button. The link will be generated and displayed on the screen. You will also have options for additional customization if desired. Copy the generated link for your promotional use. Make sure to test the link by pasting it in your browser. Check that it leads to the correct product page. Once confirmed, you can use this link in your content. For further tracking, consider adding UTM parameters as needed. Return to the Rakuten Advertising dashboard for any future link management. This process can be repeated for additional products as required. Always ensure you comply with Rakuten's guidelines when sharing links. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.